All right, second graders, we are here. We have made it. You are now at the point where you are ready to write an informational paragraph teaching your audience about the positive impact that they can have on the environment. It's also important, remember we spent a little bit of time this week thinking about our negative impact, but we're going to also focus then on what we're doing to positively impact nature by planting milkweed. Remember, informational paragraphs have three parts. They have an introduction to catch a reader's attention. They have the body that tells about the introduction and states facts, and then a conclusion where we wrap up all the information and remind them about everything awesome that they read. So you can see here, I've already typed out my informational paragraph, so I'm going to read it to you, and then it'll be your turn to type your own or write your own and send it to your classroom teacher. We've loved reading your paragraph so far. So my introduction, humans can have both a positive and negative impact on the environment. You have probably heard how people litter, waste water, and how landfills are full. But have you heard how second graders in Waukee are making a positive impact on the environment? Keep reading to find out. So you'll notice in my intro, friends, that's where I listed some of the negative things that we learned at the beginning of this week. And then I hooked my reader by telling them about a positive way that you can impact the environment. Let's get to the body of my paragraph. A negative impact on the environment is building too many places like malls and homes. This is called urban development. Urban development can be negative because it takes away habitat of animals and insects. Urban development is one of the #1 reasons that the monarch population is declining. Monarchs need milkweed to survive, like people need water to survive. Monarchs use milkweed for food as well as for homes. Luckily, second graders at Grant Reagan Elementary understand the importance of milkweed and are planting milkweed seeds. Planting milkweed will provide habitats and food for future monarchs. This is important because monarchs are pollinators and humans need pollinators to survive. So you'll notice, second graders, that the body of my paragraph is focusing on the positive impact that we are having on the environment. And I got all that information from when we looked at the storyboard and that milkweed information from yesterday. Let's get to the conclusion where we wrap everything up. There are many ways that humans negatively impact the environment, but there are simple ways to impact the environment positively. One easy way to make a positive impact is to plant milkweed. Planting milkweed saves pollinators, which means you are saving yourself. Do yourself a favor and plant some milkweed today. So you'll see, second graders, you should have 3 parts to your paragraph, and your focus should be explaining your positive impact you're having on the environment, and we can't wait to read your paragraphs. See you next time.